Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Annmakes. I'm so glad you could stop by. Welcome into my studio. If you are new here especially, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. To subscribe, just click on the link below or in the corner there where it says Annmakes, and you'll be all set for your subscription. So today I have a fun DIY to share with you. It's all about what everything old is new again, or everything new is old again. I don't know which way I should phrase that. But what I'm talking about is I wanted to share with you this new to me product by Oleum. It is called Metal Effects. It is from their Modern Masters line, and this product and others similar to it, I'm going to show you in a little bit, help the DIYer take any object, okay, a brand new object, let's say, like this one, and turn it into this, into something very old, antique looking. So, and it's so easy. So you could turn, again, something like this, something that's brand new and shiny like this, into a vintage or antique looking piece of art, either with the rust effect, or check out the patina in blue effect, and the green patina. Aren't these amazing? Can you believe that these trays were once this color? Yep, they were. And all it takes is, and all it took to change the trays into these antique looking pieces was a few brush strokes and a little spray. That's it. Super easy, super fast to do. You're gonna want to get these products and you're gonna want to rust and patina everything. As we all know, it's very trendy right now in home decor to be very earthy and to use a lot of natural elements. And a lot of decorating goes around having this rustic iron, metal, copper look. So this is a great product. So you could turn any object that you have in your home. It could be made of plastic. It could be made of wood. It could be on your wall. They even make it in a bigger size. And you could turn it into something looking really old, if that's what you're into. So if you're interested in seeing how easy it is to use this product, stay tuned. There's a video coming right up. I hope you enjoyed the video that was presented to you showing how to use the new these products by Rust-Oleum, the Modern Masters line, the metal effects in rust and patinas in blue and green, and that maybe you'll want to give faux finish a try yourself, whether your project is big or small. For more information regarding the products, please check out the links below. Please note that these products were given to me by Rust-Oleum during the blogger conference a few weeks ago that I attended, and they're not paying me for this. I'm just doing this video because I had a lot of fun trying the product and I wanted to share that with my viewers. So I hope that you are inspired to get your home decor on, or your crafting, and just get creative. Please remember to subscribe, leave comments. Please give this a like if you liked the video. That would really be helpful. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye. So I wanted to share with you this new to me product by Rust-Oleum.